Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin or BTC. BTC is currently at the $43,157 level, still ranked at number one with a market cap of about $845 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $24 billion. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin on the day is up 1.6%. And we said that in our last video. As you can see, we made lots of videos saying massive moves imminent right there for Bitcoin, and we have seen that push, right? But I'm going to show you something that is brewing in the chart, right? It's sort of something massive that nobody is talking about, right? So yesterday, or from our last update, we said we should see at least a push right here to the upside right here for Bitcoin. But currently, we are seeing this push with very little volume, and I'll prove you to that, which means we are about to see some sort of massive push to the downside right there for Bitcoin. So, with a very likelihood, we could see Bitcoin right there around that 37,600, right? So, because we are not seeing any sort of massive push to the upside right here, and we are seeing our EMAs cross, that could mean some sort of massive push to the downside right here for Bitcoin, and I'll show you why. First, as you can see, we are seeing huge bullish divergence, and so we were in favor, right, that we could see the price of Bitcoin see that little push. We have seen the Bitcoin push right there from the $41,000 level right here, about 5% to the upside, right? But this is not enough volume right here for Bitcoin, so we could see prices just push right here and see another push to the downside. So you want to be very careful, as this move might be more bearish even than bullish, and that could mean we could see a very huge retracement right here for Bitcoin, right, which could see Bitcoin have another push to the downside of about 13%, right? So currently Bitcoin doesn't seem bullish, and we could see some sort of massive push to the downside right there for Bitcoin going forward, right? So that is the update on Bitcoin. If you just push to the daily, you would see the confirmation of what I am trying to explain. Right, as you can see right here, we are seeing this massive push to the upside, but not a lot of volume coming in right here for Bitcoin right here on the daily, and this is very huge. Even though we are still holding the bull market EMA, as you can see, we have seen this huge doji, right? This is what we call a bearish engulfing, right? The bearish engulfing candle is one of the most bearish candle we could see, and we have seen that bearish engulfing, right? And anytime we see the bearish engulfing, we usually see some sort of massive push to the downside, right? And the moment you see wicks to the upside, it basically means that we are seeing huge selling pressure going on. And so basically this could mean that Bitcoin is not bullish at the moment, and this sort of structure forming right here is basically what I call a distribution, right? And we could see some sort of massive retracement to the downside right here for Bitcoin going forward. Basically, also, if you just look at the volume profile we are have forming, see, we form higher highs right here, which was bullish, but currently we are forming higher lows, right? As you can see, basically massive higher low forming, which is more bearish than we could think right there for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is more bearish than bullish at the moment, and so we could see a massive retracement into that $37 level. Still means we are bullish because we could be above the bull market EMA, right? But we could see that retracement of about more than 10% before we see any sort of massive push to the upside, right? So this could be some sort of a push right here before we see some sort of massive push to the upside later on in the year, probably after the halving, right? But expect some sort of retracement right here on Bitcoin at the moment into that $37,000 level going forward. And that is the update right here for Bitcoin. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.